Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to play Meccha Chameleon on Mac. Alright, let's begin. First, download and install Crossover on your Mac. You can use the free trial version, unzip the app, then install Crossover and launch it. Once Crossover opens, search for Steam. Select Steam app and install it. Let Crossover create the Steam bottle and install all required dependencies. Accept any prompts that appear during the setup process. After Steam is installed, sign into your account and open the Steam library. Next, install Meccha Chameleon from your Steam library. Now, get back to the Crossover app and make sure D3D Metal is selected. You can also enable DLSS for better performance. Once the download finishes, try launching the game. If you receive a launcher-related error, you'll need to bypass the launcher. To do this, access Crossover, right-click on Steam, and select Open C Drive. Navigate to the game's installation folder inside Program File 64 and locate the main game executable inside the binaries and Win64 folders. Now, right-click on the game app and select Get Info. From here, copy the executable path and get back to Steam. Here, right-click and open the game's Properties panel. Then, paste the path to the game's launch options in Steam. Just make sure to include double quotation marks at the end and start of the path. Now, copy the app name from the path directory and paste it after typing a / inside the Launch Options bar. Finally, type %command% and close the menu. This will force Steam to launch the game directly instead of using the launcher. Finally, launch the game again, select your language, adjust the graphics settings, and start playing. So that's basically how you can play Meccha Chameleon on Mac. That's it for this video. Thanks.